Hello everyone, this video I will show you how to create a login page for mobile design, okay, mobile XD design, okay. I already opened Adobe XD and I'm going to select the mobile. You can select any type of mobile. It's defaultly selected iPhone 12 Pro Max, okay. I selected it and it will create like this. Yeah, first I will show you how to use these tools. This select is used to select the object or anything, okay. This is rectangle, you can draw a rectangle and also you can change the corner sizing, corner shaping, okay. And this is circle, you can draw circle. And this is polygon, you can write a rectangle and also you can change the shapes, okay. And this is line, you can able to write a line, draw a line like that. And also this is pen, you can use it like that. You can use this as a shadow also, okay, shadow of any object. And select background color into object blur, and first you need to change the color of this, and after that I'm going to change the blurriness, okay. You can use it like that, okay. After that this is text, you can write, type or anything. And this is artboard, you can create a new artboards like that. And this is zooming, you can able to zoom the artboards, okay. And this is library, you can give a color or anything, it's like that, okay. This is all about. And second one is this is you can, if you create any artboards, it will create it here, okay. First I'm going to change the name of this artboard. This is first, okay. If you open the first artboard, inside the first artboard this rectangle, ellipse, polygon, it's all are present inside the first, okay. Okay, after that finally this is plugins, you can add any plugin to convert this XD design into a Flutter code or HTML or anything, okay. And these are all in design. This is prototype, you can give a navigations to this page, okay. And finally this is share, you can share the design into a friend, okay. Let's start. Now I'm going to design a login page, okay. I'm going to delete all, okay. I'm going to create a new artboard. Yeah, this is fine. After that I'm going to create a background color. First I need to change the name of this artboard. This is register page, okay. You can draw a circle like that. And I'm going to change the background color of this. I'm going to change the size of this circle. I'm going to use the linear gradient, okay, because I'm going to use the double colors, okay. This is fine. To drag into like that, to change the size. After that I'm going to create one more circle. This background color is I'm going to change the opacity of this, okay. I put the ellipse after the first ellipse, okay. Okay, This is fine. After that, oh, I need to, okay, this is fine. Okay, this is fine. After that, I'm going to create a menu. I'm going to change the size of the line. 6 is fine, and this is in white color. Okay, this is fine. After that, I'm going to duplicate that line. Again duplicate. Yeah, this is okay. I created a menu. After that, I'm going to create a register and login text. Okay, I'm going to change the size of this. Yeah, this is 27, and also I'm going to change the into regular into bold, and color is white. Yeah, this is fine. After that, I'm going to duplicate this register. Press Ctrl D. Move it like this and change this into a login. After that, I'm going to create a rectangle like this. Okay, yeah, this is fine. After that, I'm going to create one line. Press shift, then only you will get a straight line. Yeah, I'm going to change the thickness of that line. Yeah, this is fine. After that, I'm going to create a line because it's email and password and name. Okay, and I'm going to get that line in center. Change that border color into white, and also change the thickness size. Okay, yeah, this is okay. I'm going to duplicate that. Again duplicate, press Ctrl D. Okay, this is email, right? Sorry, this is name. Change the bold into a regular. I'm going to duplicate this. Duplicated the name. Okay, yeah, this is email. Finally, I'm going to duplicate the email. This is password. Now I'm going to create one button. It's in center. I'm going to change the radius of this button. Yeah, change the height also. After that, I'm going to write a text inside this. This is sign up or register. Okay, no, it's register. To change the color of that, and also I need a, I'm going to change this regular into a bold. Font size, okay, this is fine. I'm going to align that text in center. Oh, sorry. Yeah, this is fine. After that, now I'm going to create a, yeah, our register page is ready. Now I'm going to duplicate this register. Yeah, it's ready. I'm going to change this, remove this name, delete it, and also line 5. Yeah, I delete the line 5. I'm going to change this register into login. Get that in center. Email and password is perfect. Okay. After that, I'm going to give it to here. Yeah. Now I'm going to change this into login page. Okay, this is fine. Yeah, now I'm going to give a prototype. Okay, if user click the login, it will navigate to this page. Okay, if user click register, navigate to this page. Now I'm going to run this. Okay, this is okay. Click the play sign symbol loud. Okay, if it's already in register. Okay, if I click login, it will navigate to login page. If I click register, it will navigate to register page. If you want to navigate to this button, you can click like this and okay. Now I'm going to play this. If I click register, it will navigate to here. If I click login, if I click register and login. Okay, first I need to mask this. Okay, because I will show you. If I drag and drop this, it will some stylings is affected. If I mask this problem will remove. Okay, I will show you. I'm going to write that, draw the I'm going to select this all item in the register page. Okay, I selected and click object and click mask with shape. Okay, this is fine. This is masked shape, this is not masked. Okay, unmasked. Okay, if I drag and drop or anything, it will select all the items and it will drag like that. Okay, if I click in and drag and drop, it will all the components are not merged. Okay, this is the difference between mask shaping, okay, and unmasked shape. Okay, oh sorry, I need to select all object and mask with shape. Yeah, this is fine. Finally, I'm going to export this all, and also this is Android app. So this is the file location. Select export all. Yeah, it's exported. I go to download page. Yeah, it's exported like this. Yeah, this is the page I designed. Okay, you can create a login page like this. I think this video will help you. Thank you. I will see you in next video. Bye.